Manipur to shortly Kangasun audio clip Maramli Supreme Court na report kathar pohai. BJP Northeast in charge Sambit Patra na Manipur li Kanitang Wivang Unghai. Former CM Kala Kataili Kharjan Sai. Lake Yang Thor. At Tangkhul Express TV we pau Chungsangla Jajo in a pami the lake pau may sign nganamsa. Manipur Road Kamaratli former Chief Minister Yan Biren Singh Wipangzang at the Gapen audio clip Maramli Supreme Court na fresh report pohai. Audio G Biren we akon maning Makala Park Shock Central Forensic Science Laboratory CFSL we report SC na Yanghai Witili Forensic Science Laboratory report kathar mikvai kasohai. Fresh FSL report Miksang Maramli Union Sarkar instructions Kwilu the Karot China Solicitor General of India Li Hanghai. League audio clip we Maramchi Cookie Organization for Human Rights Trust the petition Thasang the court monitored investigation Kupo Maram Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanakala Justice Sanjay Kumar na yang sangmi. Center na kami FSL report GSC na makwisang mitua. Seal coverly kami FSL report chi examine sang haitili hiki FSL report kala the CJI na hanghaw. Solicitor General Mashana report chi mayang rang sahaw. Reportly kazangchi palaga report kathar mikvai CJI na hanghay. Fresh FSL misang kavai office li ngahan kwilu the karot na solicitor li hang. Former CM we tungli yang sangdakla investigation he state police na kasingli petitioner we advocate Prashant Bhushan na mamaya kangay pongshaka. Ka state the president's rule lay how the maram chiwang ning karikawai malay manada CJI na Bhushan ni hang. Maram hi marang tarik magarik akawi ay na how kapok haptali vayang sang lushidra dalay. Itum na taybay gaja petitioner we shangay na audio ji mushunga gaji karotli misanghay na. Private Forensic Laboratory Truth Labs na tape chi yang laga akon ji biren winner gaji 93% mushunga da gahang report petitioner na SC li migasang na. Ka report chi majihan paim na the center na mamaya makamaya lay. Tape chi we Central Forensic Sciences Laboratory report mikvai maroon gachang court na poda acha Solicitor General Tushar Mehta na aya migasang na. BJP Northeast in charge Sambit Patrana Manipurli Kanitang Wivang Aya Imfali Ungzanghaya. IT Power Tishuda Patrana Ungzang Shuda helicopter in a Churchan Purva local MLA Vunzajin Valteli Sampanga. Chiwena Imfali Ngushun Pung Aga Shikali Hanung Laga former Chief Minister and Biren Singh Wishimli Karjan Vasaya. Imphal Airport Li Patrali BJP Manipur Central Manipur General Secretary K. Sarad Kumarna Wangorokhuya, Patrana Manipur Assembly Speaker Thokcham Satya Bratalila, Sambanghaya, Shorkar Gatar Sam Kavai Kapo MLA Makada Akachili, Patrana, Sampang Niga Masampang Nigala Mathairanga. Ajugum Shiri Lili Panitili Manipur State Vanau Nongin Kala State Awan Shiri Lili Kavangakui Wivang, Mayerna We Marathon Ngahan Rungmigidalay. Marathon chi ragra tarik tharada shinitang rungmira angranang ye chi Manipur Forest Department kala 7 Sisters Foundation and Manipur Olympic Association we kotom kami zangda makok mira marathon chili mayernau zingum makhaila zangpai sharuka khui psychorally t-shirt mira ngahan chili zangkhawai mingjan aman mukhui mira shongza khangakhui chi District Forest Office DFO we ena shuri khu kashung de kilometer tharada aka paira mokok mena paumi gishok atishuda ngahan chi we reporting atam ngothor pung phanga reporting apam DFO crew headquarter documents stamp size passport amba aka kala Aadhaar Xerox copy zanga Marathon Li Gazang Pingli Shuri we aina ukrul headquarter Kalam aina Pungamira. Marathon Kayui Yali Saman Nupa Tingtumra Gakanyali Tingmaku Gagutumali Tingtara Top 10 Consolation Lupa Tingkani Shapangarip Mira. Ngahan Chili Zankavai Form Ukrul Central School Kala Royal Gymnasium Ukruli Haimia. Ngahan Kavai Robert Maiteli 60095778896 Likol Sapaira. Online Mingjan la number chain sapai. maram hiwang 87981388697 lila ngahana paira Manipur National Highway Project Sadak lewi mga khava maramli Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala Nathanda high level gazip pamhaira gazip chi conference hall Raj Bhavan Imphali aya kwikaya infrastructure development thak mai khwai kala atam chada gasali gahab leida kale maram ngasan haira National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL Executive Director MS Diwal na highway project pingwi magup makaila ka high status report miya kala ot mga kakwili kahap leida khalai mataila kay nang lay kakwi logistical kasak security concerns higata maram hangchite kasak kahap leida khalai chi yang sang the project atam chada jat nasak kawai Governor Bhala na officials pingni chizami haira ot mathada sa kawai stakeholders ping district administrations kala security forces zangda mathada khang shik dakar sayada governor na hang Gazip Chile Senior Officials, Principal Secretary Works, Commissioner Home, Secretary Land Resources, Chief Engineer of PWD Kala, DIG CRPF Operations Vazanga. Ukrul Noni Tamenglong Senapati Kangpokpi Churchanpur Kala, Ferzol with Deputy Commissioners being the video conference and Ngurumachi. 49 Datupi ST Assembly Constituency with final photo electoral rolls Ayatarik Pangatan, Pong Mihaira. Constituency Chui Bike Election Wivang Election Commission of India Special Summary Revision Wivang Photo Electoral Rolls Atam Red Mihai Kasa Atishuda Pong Kamina Revision Atam Liot Sagahai Maram Senapati District Election Officer Deputy Commissioner Memoni Dolena Political parties pingni hang jiteda party mingnin pingni final electoral rolls copy mishokaya. Yari kala political parties pingni final photo electoral rolls 2025 chi 49 tatubi STSCW electoral registration officers assistant electoral registration officers booth level officers BLOs we officially inspect verify sapaya the DEO senapati na jishathaya. Chief Electoral Officer Manipur we CEO Manipur.nic.in lila yang paira. DEO na kahang constituency chili 48,682 electors lay chiwing chili. We are now 24,470 gala. She now 24,212 zanga. Electors Mingjan katar 981 zanga. Revision leave 55 electoral rolls katat haira. Polling stations hang chishatta aka labor pamrachi. Manipuri hapta aka kada zatkai counter insurgency drive li security forces na insurgent gathers meet haradishini to haira. Drive chiking tarik magkadishini na achahon tarik matiwi alumni security forces Indian Army Spear Corps Assam Rifles Manipur Police CRPF BSC kala ITBB zangda Kakching Tengnopal Bishnupur ena Kangpok Pili Vashunga. Insurgent gathers traditionally kala kutlai tumrada aka improvised explosive devices IEDs tarada kutum grenades ammunition sambangachi kutlai chi kai ka Kakching Moltingjam village T Mino Tengnopal lila sambanga Tengnopal Bishnupur kala Kangpok Pili militant bunkers Sakai Mihaira Chili kutlai ngatatai da sambanga Paileng Kangpok Pili lila kutlai sambanga Tarik Matitan Ningtao Kong Bishnupur lila kutlai samanga Tukui Gahai mi kala kutlai chi Manipur Police li misang hair da hanga Aray tumna advertisement akang nangumsa Kapanga Shiri Lili State Festival 2025 Miyon kita kalay hiwiwang homestay shomi kawai ngahod hair Maram hiling sunda MSRLM Ukrul District Mission Manager Homestay Nodal Officer Horay Sung Kamrang na kang hot chan pao mushok hair Shiri Lili Panithi Kachang Hiwitar Makai na hapokta Makada Mati ena tangda rungmi gidalay. Ukrul District li Miyon kita kalay Panithi li Imayur Sai Kalam Kami Shimaling Han Katay Ning Tong Lakay ni Sheba Sami Katay Hikata Itumwi Kapang Shan Hi Pari Kamiwi Ot Ngurut Hili Kagadom Sada Homestay Shomi Kawai Podalay. Homestay Show Kamiwi Maramli Matami da Ngasan Kwi Kawai Ziting Perung Aungshi 8787667633 kala Chipemi Kishing 841-608-0284 Anili contact Sapaya. Latluida Chukam Tai Bowing Manipur to shortly Kangasun audio clip Maramli Supreme Court na report Kathar Pohaya. BJP North East in charge Sambit Patra na Manipurli Kanitang Wivang Unghai. Former CM Kala Kataili Kharjan Sai. Achu Pau Hiling Changhai Pau Nada Klein Tom Sai Correlating Kapakala Kamahai Zimik Show Saserna.